Is it the right time to make a decision on Amazon stock? Welcome back. In today's video, we'll be delving deeper into the world of Amazon. We previously shared an overview on our website a few days ago, but now we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. To stay up to date with our latest insights, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. It's crucial to stay informed about any updates that could potentially impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. With the power of artificial intelligence, you can get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Remember, this video is purely for informational purposes and should not be considered as financial advice. Since December 5, 2023, our system has identified Amazon as a strong investment opportunity with a score of 1.60. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has shown a gain of 2.08%. This means that, on average, it has delivered a daily return of 0.11% since being identified as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in the midst of a strong upward trend. This suggests that it is likely to continue rising in the near future. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a potential change of 23.75% over the next 3 months. This means there is a possible return between 16.92% and 30.81%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected change of 63.97% over the next year. This indicates a potential return between 42.77% and 70.9%. In other words, the stock price could range from $214.05 to $256.23 after a year. Our latest update on Amazon brings some exciting news. The headline reads, Amazon stock upgraded to buy candidate. On Tuesday, January 2, 2024, the Amazon stock price experienced a slight decline of 1.32%, dropping from $151.94 to $149.93. Throughout the trading day, the stock saw a fluctuation of 2.69%, starting at a low of $148.39 and reaching a high of $152.38. In the past 10 days, the price has fallen in 7 instances, resulting in a 0.03% decrease. Although the volume of shares increased by 7 million on the last day, this occurred alongside falling prices. This could potentially indicate a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, approximately $6.49 billion worth of Amazon shares were bought and sold, totaling 43 million shares. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, we can see that the highest stock price reached $155.63, while the lowest price was at $81.43. Presently, the price stands at 3.66% below the 52-week high, equivalent to $5.70, and a significant 88.51% below the all-time high. This all-time high was recorded on January 15, 2018 when the price peaked at $1,305.20. Quite a remarkable difference. Today, let's take a look at some recent analyst ratings for Amazon. On Thursday, December 21, 2023, Wedbush gave Amazon a grade of outperform with a hold action. Also on Thursday, December 21, 2023, Wells Fargo gave Amazon a grade of buy with a hold action. Moving back to Friday, December 1, 2023, Oppenheimer gave Amazon an outperform grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, November 29, 2023, JMP Securities rated Amazon as market outperform with a hold action. Lastly, on Tuesday, November 28, 2023, BTIG gave Amazon a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have unanimously given Amazon stock a strong buy rating. They highly recommend investing in Amazon due to its strong PE ratio and price to book, both of which are rated as strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, analysts have given the stock a more cautious neutral rating. Let's analyze the signals for Amazon stock. Currently, the short-term moving average suggests a sell signal, while the long-term average indicates a buy signal. Since the short-term average is higher than the long-term average, this gives a positive forecast for the stock and suggests a general buy signal. If the stock continues to rise, it may encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at around $152.75. Conversely, if it falls, it could find support from the long-term average at approximately $148.01. A break above the short-term average would be a buy signal, while a break below the long-term average would be a sell signal. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, provides a buy signal. However, there are also some negative signals that may affect the stock's near-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, December 18, 2023, resulting in a 2.69% decrease so far. Further decline is expected until a new bottom pivot is identified. It's worth noting that volume increased on the recent price decline, which could be an early warning and should be monitored closely. In terms of the long-term chart, the stock had a golden star signal on Monday, February 13, 2023. This rare combination occurs when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and the price line align in a special way. Historically, this signal has often been followed by significant and sustained gains for the stock. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence is giving a buy signal. Pivots are indicating a sell signal 10 days ago. Bollinger Bands had a buy signal 7 days ago. The short-term moving average had a sell signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 45 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 42 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can see the following. The short moving average had a sell signal 19 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 45 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 35 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Today, we're going to talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Amazon. One important factor to consider is that Amazon has found support from accumulated volume at $147.42. This means that there is a potential buying opportunity, as we can expect an upwards reaction when the support level is being tested. It's worth noting that Amazon is a stock that is usually traded at a good volume, which means there is a significant amount of buying and selling activity. However, this also means that the risk associated with trading this stock is considered to be low, as there are usually only minor daily price changes. Looking at the recent performance, we can see that over the last day, the stock moved $3.99 or 2.69% between its high and low points. This shows that there is some volatility, but it is still relatively small. Zooming out to the last week, we can see that the stock has had an average daily volatility of 1.4%. This means that there have been some fluctuations in the stock price, but they have been within a reasonable range. Before we start discussing the potential trading levels for Amazon, it's important to go over some key fundamental data. Let's begin with the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A high P/E ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors have high expectations for future growth. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $0.770. It's crucial to keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, let's take a closer look at some potential day trading levels for Amazon. If the stock is on an upward trend, we can identify the first resistance level at $149.97. If you don't own any shares yet, it might be wise to wait for the stock to surpass this level before considering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading opportunities. On the other hand, if the stock encounters a downward trend, we can identify the first support level at $147.42. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point for traders who anticipate a rebound. The average rating for Amazon from multiple analyst sources is strong buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On December 21, 2023, Salipsky Adam sold 500 shares of common stock, par value 1 cent per share. On December 22, 2023, Salipsky Adam sold another 500 shares of common stock, par value 1 cent per share. On December 6, 2023, Salipsky Adam conducted an insider sell of 500 shares of common stock, par value 1 cent per share. On December 7, 2023, Salipsky Adam conducted an insider sell of 500 shares of common stock, par value 1 cent per share. On December 1, 2023, Harrington Douglas J. sold 4,000 shares of common stock, par value 1 cent per share. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio is -84.072, indicating a negative trend. Overall, insiders purchased 201,314 shares and sold 2,562,805 shares in the last 100 trades. We recommend setting the stop loss at $144.88, which represents a decrease of 3.37%. This stock has a low level of daily movement, which translates to a lower risk for investors. We have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was observed 9 days ago. Is Amazon stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, it seems that Amazon stock presents a promising buying opportunity in the short term. We have upgraded our evaluation from a hold/accumulate to a buy candidate. Our systems indicate that the current price of Amazon stock is undervalued, considering the volatility and movements observed in the last trading day. As we look ahead to Wednesday, January 3rd, we anticipate Amazon to open up $0.303 and start trading at $150.23. Before we dive into today's topic, let's establish a crucial reminder: trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's important to consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Remember, StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest, where we provide you with the current view of the stock market. We value your opinion, so don't forget to comment below and share your thoughts. What target do you have in mind for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated. Our team wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day.